Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your iPhone is on the new update. This ensures the native recorder behaves correctly. Once done, open Settings, go to Control Center, and add screen recording by tapping the plus icon. That makes the control appear instantly. Make sure you restart the Control Center by swiping to refresh the UI. This avoids stale controls. You're now ready to access the recorder from the top right corner with one swipe and a tap. You'll now configure how the recorder captures sound and video. Long press the screen recording icon in Control Center to reveal options. Select microphone on to include your voice or off to capture only system audio. If the update offers app-level audio targets, pick the right source before recording. Also, enable Do Not Disturb so banners and alerts don't interrupt your footage. When settings are set, tap Start Recording and observe the brief countdown. To finish, tap the red status bar or open Control Center and press the screen recording icon to stop. Your clip saves automatically to Photos. Once saved, trim or export directly from Photos to remove mistakes. If you hit a problem, make sure there's enough storage and then toggle screen recording off and back on in Control Center settings. Restarting the phone fixes most glitches. If audio is missing, double-check microphone permissions and app audio settings before re-recording.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.